read the history of Nazi Germany, they always think they're Schindler. They always think that they're the person who would have saved Anne Frank in the Netherlands. They never read history as a perpetrator. I wouldn't have done that. It's like, did you watch people during the pandemic? In Canada, 30% of my neighbors were thrilled that they had the opportunity to inform on the people around them. Thrilled. They would have worn those goddamn masks for the rest of their life if the payoff would have been they could feel morally superior and informed.
As humans, we have the inclination to, always choose to be morally superior than others. Lalo na sa mga choices natin sa buhay. Choices sa partner, sa pag-ibig, relasyon, kung paano dapat gawin yung mga bagay-bagay. But, ang problema kasi sa morality is napaka-subjective niya. Kung titignan mo, it's going to take you long talks before nyo ma-derive kung ano yung tama o mali doon sa ibang sitwasyon, of course. But may mga ibang sitwasyon na, proven naman na mali yung ginagawa or nagawa nila. Now, very common ito sa mga bubble ng political parties. Diyan na yung Pinklawan, Kakamping, Nilawan, mga Marcos loyalists, mga DDS, so on and so forth. Now, ang isa sa pakiusap ko siguro, if ever you are going to dwell into these kinds of questions, is that, for one, please align yourself doon sa totoo. That's the very least that we can do. Yes, subjective ang morality, but it does not mean na hindi natin siya pwedeng pasukan ng facts or katotohanan. And kunin natin doon sa katotohanan yung next step na dapat natin gawin, hindi lang yung sa tama ako or I feel morally superior, so dapat ako yung masunod or dapat ito yung dapat natin gawin.
This is Pinoy Extreme.